Finding Nemo. Once upon a time, there was a fish named Marlin that was protective of his son, Nemo. And every day, he warned Nemo that the ocean was full of danger. Until one day, to rebel against his dad, Nemo ignored the warnings and swam into the sea. And because of this, he was captured by a diver and ended up in a dentist's fish tank. And then because of this, Marlin enlisted other sea creatures to go and rescue Nemo. Until finally, he finds Nemo and learned that love depends on trust. Thank you. Leave a comment.